Hi Stamping friends, it's Marilyn Wagner with Stamping Creations with Marilyn, here to share another card with you. Due to the world happenings this part of March 2020, I have decided to cancel my in-person classes and do more of them online, whether by video like this or today we had a great time with a few of the ladies joining me on FaceTime. So going to keep trying different things like that, so with the hopes that all of us can help each other through this. So today's card, this one is Flowering Foils Specialty Paper. This is one of the cards that, well, this is the instruction sheet that I made for one of these cards. But I will just show you a couple of the cards and some of the paper because it is to die for. The cards, I did one with thanks and one with happy birthday, cut out with the guys from, I'll just kind of lay them out here so you can see them, from the Well-Written Framelits. A great set that has many different sayings: happy, you, groom, friend, thanks, welcome, love, bride, hooray, miss, baby, wishes, birthday, sympathy. So you can imagine all the different things you could use that for. And they cut very well, very easy with the Big Shot, and are not that difficult to get out of the die after they're cut. So I have a couple of them ready to go. Once again, for my classes, I do have packages ready, and of course these are going to be just a little bit more useful now that people don't come to the house. I will just get them ready and they can pick them up. So I have a card base that is the normal size, half a sheet of cardstock folded. Then I did a piece of Whisper White, and that one is cut at 4 3/4 by 3 1/2, so it's a bit larger border than usual around the outside. Then we have some of the new papers. I have one of the Flowering Foils DSP, and I have a piece of the So Very Vellum specialty paper that matches the background paper, and that's going to go on there. So a couple ways to color this. The one that is quick and easy, and I prefer if I'm doing cards in a hurry, is using one of the sponge daubers. And yeah, don't worry about the word on there, that was a clean one when I started. So and virtually all you do is color your flowers. It doesn't have to be exact. It gives you a softer look than if you color with the blends. I did do one with the blends, and it's darker, but I kind of, which one does that, oh, that one goes there. And you can go back over it if you do so desire. You can wipe that off with a towel afterwards to get it off of the gold, or actually it's rose gold. And the other coloring that I did on these is for the leaves. Just colored them in, so it's a little bit different color. This is Mint Macaron, the dark. And as you can see, just a quick and easy way to add color to your design. Doesn't take that long at all. Trying to figure out where that leaf is. I've been using the the silver foil as the outline of the leaf and the rose gold as the outline of the flower. So that would finish that. Again, when you use blends, it does come through on the back side. So as long as you're aware of that, it's okay. So I would then glue that onto the Whisper White, and whichever way up your little old heart desires. There's nothing written in stone as to how it has to be. And I also discovered that this vellum, if I use little dots of glue from the liquid glue like this, it doesn't have to be exact by any means, but it doesn't show through on the other side. I was quite pleased with that. Then I have some of the mint macaron ribbon that I will attach with glue dots on either side of it. If I could get the glue dot off the roll. And yes, this baker's twine to hold that so it doesn't get very unruly when you leave it laying on your desk is a tip I like to share with my friends. So I put that on there. I took the birthday that I stuck down there, and to put this on, somewhere I have, there it is, my silicone mat and just the odd drop of glue. Glue dots to hold it. And I just realized that I want this to go on before I glue the happy birthday on, because the happy birthday being a larger one of the dies is going to, or can in this case, bring this back so you can see it, it can overhang this card layer. So I want the card to be together first. I will put my birthday there, and I will do my happy. And hopefully didn't get too much on there so that it comes squirting out, but it might. Or it might not stick. Well, don't get glue on the top side or it sticks to your fingers. Try that one more time. There. And there. And then the other thing that I did on this particular one was to tie a faux bow here. And again, I've got glue on my fingers, so it's not going that easy. So virtually to tie a faux bow, it's just put another length of ribbon there, tie it, you can move it if you want it on this side or this side. I think on this one I want it right in the center. And I like to leave mine a little bit longer when I put it on, and then I can trim it so that the diagonals are going the same direction and pretty much the same length. So that is my card. Again, like I said, easy to color. The other one I did color with the blends, and you can see that it's, instead of a soft color, it is more of a solid filled in color, but both very nice. I'm sure anyone that receives that would be pleased to get it. So I will list the products used for this below the video so that you can see what there was, and hopefully you can have a great time making this card. Thanks for watching. You can like my YouTube channel, and on my website or my Facebook page I will be posting lots and lots of different ideas for you to help you with your card making. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.